What is going on, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Elkhart, Indiana. We're getting ready to go take a look at RV country here. I've been told that Elkhart County, Indiana is the RV capital of the world, but to truly understand, you've got to see it from above. Okay, right here. Yep. A huge thanks to Dean Lauch's Fine Art for sponsoring today's video.
I'm in turtle mode. I really want to focus on the turtles for a year. They are endangered. It's interesting to see how many eggs are laid, how many turtles go in the sea, and then how many actually survive later. I'm going to have many of my pieces down in Florida. That's where I'll be doing my work over the winter time. And I'd love to set up an appointment and meet you if you would like to have a painting. So you can visit the shop in Elkhart, Indiana. You can always call the shop at 574-522-8838.
This was an incredible opportunity. I've always wanted to fly in a helicopter, and flying in a helicopter with a Dean Lauch's paint job is definitely the way to do it, and this was really a high-end helicopter. So a huge thanks to Dean and Chuck for taking me along on this experience. It really was a top life experience. I wasn't expecting it, but they even put me behind the controls of the helicopter. This was probably the most nervous I've ever been. Notice Chuck's hands aren't on the controls. Seriously, I didn't even know I could look this nervous. Those of you that don't know, Dean is a very experienced helicopter pilot, and at one time was flying around 300 hours a year. Everywhere you fly around in Elkhart County, you see lines of chassis, completed RVs. If you look around, you can just see all of the rows of RVs. I believe this may be ATC trailers, but I'm not sure. But I definitely know this is the Newmar Service Center. Enjoy the look of this beautiful facility from above. This is the campground in front of the Newmar Service Center. It really is a beautiful facility. There's also some pretty extravagant homes here in Elkhart County. Man, that's a good looking pair of shoes my buddy Dean's got on. I think everything he owns is blue. I was not expecting this at all, but I got my first helicopter lesson here, and this really was an incredible experience and sparked a whole nother curiosity. I definitely hope to be able to go up in more helicopters again in the future. This was just an incredible feeling. So this was the first part of the instruction where he was teaching me how to use the foot pedals for the tail rotor. I hope I'm using the correct terminology, but it was pretty amazing how just pressing those pedals would turn the helicopter. I cannot believe these guys let me at the controls of this helicopter. I mean, this was such an incredible feeling, especially this helicopter. This was not just a rookie helicopter. This was the real deal. So just an amazing experience, and I never had any idea how nervous I could look on camera.
You wanna dance?
This was really awesome of Dean and Chuck to let me fly the helicopter. I had no idea what was about to happen. I thought we were done, and then they were very adamant about me switching seats, taking over the controllers, and at first I thought they were joking, but they were dead serious. So I got to fly the helicopter, and this was just such an awesome experience, something I never expected. And I cannot thank Dean and Chuck enough. They really are great guys. huge thanks to Dean Laux, and I greatly appreciate all of you that are liking these videos and subscribing to the channel. Also, make sure to check out Dean's channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. A special thanks to Chuck as well. I can't thank all of you enough for coming along on the journey. I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.